In this video, I am going to tell you a simple trick from which you can read the whole polity Laxmikant in only 7 days. You will finish. And you will remember everything, whatever you have read, you will never forget. So, I have divided the whole book in 3 parts, A, B, C. I have put the 40% in part A, 40% in part B, and rest 20% in part C. So first you have to read the part A, then you have to read the part B, then you have to read the part C. If you will read the Laxmikant from the first chapter, historical background and so on, then you will not remember anything. You will forget everything, and it is very hectic to read from the chapter 1, and you will not understand everything in a good manner. You will not able to link the one chapter from other. But if you will read in this way, then you will link all the chapter and you will never forget anything. So let's learn it. Part A is 40%, in which you have to read the first chapter on the president, vice president and governor. Read in this order, in this chronological order you have to read, and then read the chapter on emergency provision, PM cabinet, then CM, State Council of Minister, then parliamentary system, and move to the parliament. In the same way, once parliament is finished, move to state legislative assembly, then move to the Supreme Court, High Court and tribunals. Then your part A will be finished. Now move to the part B of the 40%. In this you have to read the citizenship, fundamental right, DPSP and fundamental duties, then amendment of the constitution, preamble. You have to read all these chapters in 3 days, and above 40% in 3 days. So you will finish 40% part A and part B in 3 days, and the rest 20% you will read in 1 day. So read the citizenship, fundamental right, DPSP, duties, amendment, preamble, Jammu Kashmir, schedule and tribal areas, and then move to the union territories, Panchayati Raj, municipalities. Then read the remaining chapter in the part C. Read it in 1 day. As I told that I have divided in 3 parts. So read the first part A of 40% in 3 days. Part B 40% in 3 days. And part C 20% in 1 day. So move to the part C. In this you have to read the Attorney General, Advocate General, UPSC, State PSC, Finance Commission, Planning Commission, NDC, Center, State and Interstate Relation, Election Commission, and then National Commission for Women, SC, ST, OBC, CVC, Lokpal and so on. Hope you got it. If you will take more time, then you will take 15 days to finish the whole. If you are doing any job, then you can do it in 15 days.